slow and steady trading. All right, so we took a little break, but we back. December was real rough, but we in January now, and today is actually January 21st. So I think we swung trade. We in ONDS right now, and let me see where we got in at on that. So we bought this yesterday. I only spent $100 on this, just testing out. Like I said, when I'm testing things, you don't need a bunch of money. Just use some money, as long as it's your money, so you can actually see it moving and get the little emotional side of it. So we got in at 1301, and it's currently at 1372. So we up $4.72 that stock today, right? So we actually watching multiple things, so we're gonna get this thing back on track, and we got a camera now, try to bring a little bit more quality to the channel. Yeah, started the trading day. This is on a Wednesday. We're gonna see what happened. I'll be back. Slow and steady trading. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Slow and steady trading. All right, we on lunch break. So far we at $11.68 today. We had ODV from yesterday. I'm not sure if I talked about that earlier, but had that from yesterday. Had a little gap up this morning, plus a little bit of gains I had from yesterday. We made $15.07 on that today. And then ONDS, which you bought at the end of the trading day yesterday, only made 76 cents after that. It wasn't doing much, so I got out that this morning. And today I tried something with CVRX. Got in that one at 618. It's currently at 594, so we're down $4.15 in that. So that puts us up $11.68 today. So we're gonna see where this thing goes. And I think I might find another swing today. I don't mind putting this a couple dollars on these swing plays. I mean, you never tell them what they're gonna do. And if they do good, then it won't cost a day trade, because I bought it the day before and I can sell it the day after. So we'll see what we get into, and we'll let you know. But y'all comment, like, subscribe, and I'm gonna be back. Try to be more consistent on these videos. Well, I'm gonna be more consistent on these videos. We got a camera now. We got better quality, and we're gonna bring a little more than just stocks, but it's gonna be basically around, I guess, stocks. But we'll talk about little things here and there. So comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be back. Slow and steady trading. So we back. It's the end of the day, and we're currently up $9.12. End up being up in ODV $15.07 a day, up in ONDS 76 cents, and I got in on CVRX on the swing trade for tomorrow, so we're down $2.45. So we're gonna see what that do tomorrow. I think we put down no, matter of fact, that was a swing from yesterday. My bad. We got in SHIM for the swing for tonight into tomorrow. We're down $4.25 in that, and we're gonna see what that do tomorrow. Okay, so here's the swing list for, I'm only on one, but this is what I found going into tomorrow, so it'll be Thursday. Take a look. Shim, Domo, Skin, MEI, ATNM, and SHEN. So we're gonna see what these do tomorrow. I said I'm only in SHIN, but we're gonna watch them all and see what they do. So slow and steady trading. We'll be back. We're gonna see what they do. Y'all comment, like, subscribe.